Hello everybody, you're on the Crypto House channel, continuing to review promising projects for passively earning cryptocurrencies. In my new video, I would like to tell you about the DaoVersal project. With its help, you can stake native duo stablecoins and receive passive income of up to 1.5% per day. It sounds very tempting, but this is far from the only advantage of the DaoVersal project. It's worth mentioning right away that the DaoVersal project is quite large scale. It represents an entire ecosystem which includes many Web3, DeFi and SocialFi products. For example, decentralized ID, virtual land parcels, NFT marketplace, digital exchange, we are a meeting place and much more. This all adds weight to the project. However, as an investor, I am primarily interested in the staking function. It is implemented in DaoVersal in a rather unusual way. The project has its own virtual space, which is a galaxy of several hundred planets. Each of the planets has its own virtual lands, by subscribing to which we can earn money by staking. It sounds a little complicated at first, but later in the video I will explain everything in detail and provide a detailed tutorial on staking in DaoVersal. Staking in DaoVersal is promising for several reasons. Firstly, the number of available planets and lands is limited. For example, the project is now in its second phase, during which only 600 planets with 1,000 lands each are available, and they sell out pretty quickly. The project already has a fairly strong community, which creates competitions for virtual lands, so it's worth buying them before the full sold out. The second reason is a powerful team and the coolness of the project itself. As I said at the beginning, DaoVersal is not just a platform for staking, but a full-fledged ecosystem of many products, where staking is only one component. DaoVersal is being developed by a fairly experienced team based in Dubai. The key leader of DaoVersal are CEO Джона Глазго and the CTO KE. Jonah, the former Coin CEO, has had a significant impact on the Bitcoin market. In 2017, he pioneered the creation of the first mobile masternode for iOS, showcasing his innovative thinking and dedication to the expansion of the Bitcoin ecosystem. The same can be said for KE, DaoVersal's acclaimed CTO. She founded notable businesses such as the Knows How Investment Research Institute, the Social Finance ERA, the popular GameFi Crypto Dogs, and the Social Star Project Ono. Her incredible achievements have not gone unnoticed, as she was named one of the Forbes 30 under 30, solidifying her status as an industry leader. And the third reason for the prospects of staking in DaoVersal is the extremely low entire threshold. You can start making money on staking here with just $10, and with such an investment you will earn 0.6% per day, on an ongoing basis. Although it goes without saying that the more money you invest, the greater your final income will be. However, here you should take into account the limits and specifics of staking tariffs from DaoVersal. As I said earlier, staking occurs through virtual space with planets. All planets in the DaoVersal galaxy are divided into 3 types: stone, bronze, and iron. And depending on the type of planet, the staking conditions will differ. Stone planets have a yield of 0.6% per day. Profits from them can be received for an unlimited period of time and withdrawn at any time with a minimum commission. The minimum staking amount on Rocket is 10 DU. DU is the native token of the DaoVersal ecosystem, and its price is always 1 USDT. So we can say that the minimum staking amount in DaoVersal is only $10. The maximum staking limit on Stone Planet is 100 DOU. So if you want to invest a large amount, then you should take a closer look at other types of planets. Bronze and Stone Planet works according to the following scheme. The profitability in them is 1.5% per day, but it will not occur instantly as on Stone Planet until you earn 300% of your deposit. This is the maximum that can be earned from one virtual land on a bronze or iron planet. You can withdraw profits here only after the end of the staking period. When you have fully earned 300% of the profit, there is no withdrawal fee. Bronze planet differ from iron planets in their limits. The maximum staking amount on a bronze planet is 101 DU. On iron planet it's 301 DU. The maximum amount is 300 DU on a bronze planet and 500 DU on an iron planet. I hope this has been sorted out. Now let's take a look at how exactly to start staking in DaoVersal. First of all, you will need to create an account on the official website. I will leave my referral link to the DaoVersal website in the description under the video. Just follow it. When registering, you will need to provide an email, come up with a username and password, and confirm your email with a one-time code. Next, go to the assets section in your account and top up your balance with DU tokens. To do, you need to deposit USDT stablecoins in the TRC20, ERC20 or BPE20 format to your internal account, and they will be automatically converted into DU at a rate of 1:1. When the balance is replenished, all that remains is to choose a planet. We go to the land market page. In the filter, we select the type of planet we are interested in, stone, bronze or iron, and select any suitable planet in the virtual space. On it, click the subscribe button enter the amount of DAO that we want to send for staking and click the subscribe now button again. And that is all. After these simple steps, our funds will immediately start working and brings us daily profits. Profit will be credited to the reward account from where it can be converted into USDT and withdrawn to your personal wallet. You can learn more about the DaoVersal project using the links in the description. There will also be my referral link through which you can create an account and start earning money by staking DAO tokens from just $10, receiving regular passive income of up to 1.5 per day. Just remember that my video is not a call for investment or financial advice. Any investment in cryptocurrencies involves large-scale risks, and you should always do your own research before. Thank you for your attention. The Crypto House channel was with you, a place of new technologies. See you. Bye.